Just a second. Just a second.
They gave our bill of self-recognition. They also believe that the court should also
the Federal High Court.
Oh, sorry, the Federal High Court should also, be firm on the fact that its time is being wasted. You look at it, this is a case of federal intimidation being allowed to happen. The other day, literally almost similar case was filed at another court that we had. And it goes to show that there is institutions that are allowing themselves to be used as tools of oppression. The one thing that we should worry all of us is the fact that the case that has to do with fighting for justice, for someone's justice, where injustice has happened, was postponed. But the ones where oppression is supposed to go on were allowed to happen. But as we see, it's what it's supposed to be. Let it be, giving her bail of self-recognition, where I expect the court to really strike it out, and not only that, to tell us the federal government that we have so many things that are happening in the country, and it does not have the time, the resources to be wasted on the fact that there are two senators who have problems with each other. They're big enough to take care of themselves. There are lots of people, all Nigerian masses, who do not have anyone speaking for them. There are a lot of cases out there that people have been willing to appear before the court. They haven't appeared before. But we have certain people who are using their offices and certain institutions being willing to of oppression for this thing to happen. It's just a waste of the nation's time at a time when we should be focused on saving lives. People are dying all over the country, but we are here wasting the resources that we do not have to waste the court's time that they have a lot of cases that they're supposed to do. At the end of the day, I think the judiciary should wake up and no longer allow itself to be used by politicians who believe because they are in office, they can do whatever it is that they want to do.